Hey guys, I'm back. Now yesterday we was here talking about that poor ductwork, dripping water all over the ceiling. As you can see, we back here today. This is the finishing project. This is where we at. You see we got new returns back there. As you can see, everything is pretty much suspended nice through the attic. This is the new ductwork. This is the main supply plenum here. All new 1.5" duct board. I'm going to go a little deeper. As you can see also, we added that exhaust fan venting through the roof. Here we go. Seeing everything is mastic sealed, duct sealant on all connections. Distribution boxes hang straight level. Proper air distribution here. This is the finishing project. It's the finishing product right here. Look at that duct, all straight and nice. Attic is a lot cleaner. Duct is a lot higher off the beams. As you remember yesterday, we were looking at this, which is poor.